Our Lloyds were better with your little angel, so we're working him on the place thing. I don't know if you guys have been practicing this at all, but we need to do this so we can bring him to the office and get him staying there. And he just loves that little cot. Anyway, I'm going to use my pager to get him out of there. But for this right now, you guys, I can have the remote behind my back. What we don't want to do, and what distresses me when people say he sees that thing in my hand. If he sees that thing in your hand, and I'm not saying you guys said that, but people do say that to me, then you're not being a very good trainer, because I don't want him to be focusing on that remote. That's why the Europeans have built this Martin Systems collar. We may need to get him one of those. It's got this little ring thing that goes on your finger. Jax! So I'm just going to bring him around. Good. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Get him going in there. In your place. Good boy. Wonderful. Good. Down. So to get him out of there, I'm going to do the pager. Jax. Bring him around. Good. Good. Wonderful. In your place, starting that picture in. Oh, he's a little sluggish today. Good. 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 Don't want him to anticipate that. Jax. Good. Bring him around. Let me see. In your place. In. Good, good. I kept holding it down right there. As I started to do what we call blink, which would be look back at me. Good, 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 good. Jax. In and around. Sitting. Something in your place. Didn't look back at all. Good. Oh, what a good, good boy. So remember, there's a couple components to this. There's going away, there's coming back, and there's staying. So you do want to do it in stages. Jax, good. Heel. In your place. Holding it down. I'm letting it up right there. I'll do it one more time. Oh, he is a pretty, pretty boy. I think he needs to get, Jillian, he needs to get his own Facebook page. Jax. Yeah. In place. Oh, look at him go. Slow as molasses. Down. I guess more updates soon.